Well, greetings everybody. We've had a very exciting week. Let's see what tomorrow brings. One thing it's going to bring is our final recommendation. This is the last one before the course starts. So after this, to get the recommendations, you will have to be part of our community with the course. So in any case, we ran our 15 baskets the same we did yesterday. We also ran it with a 0.6 correlation and 0.8 RW coefficient. And then we added the 5 minimum winners for the back test and 5% up and down. And when we did that, we had a still pretty good collection. But the one we're going to look at, if you watched yesterday's recommendation, I mentioned that there was another one, and it's the one that we found yesterday as well. It's PTR versus MUR. Let's go look at it in the analysis page. So, amazing picture, right? Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And when you see that, you're expecting the back test to be good. And guess what? It's nothing short of spectacular. It's been outside the second standard deviation 8 times and profitably returned to the mean 7. The 8th one is the one that's currently open. So, a very strong looking pair. Now, the thing, of course, we've lowered the correlation a little bit in this recommendation. The only thing that I don't like about this is that these two oil companies are primarily in different parts of the world, but they're both huge companies. So let's take a look at it in the observe page. We're going to add it over there. Of course, that is our watch list, right? So as we saw, a great up and down kind of motion, the kind of action that we really like to see when we're trading pairs. And we can see that it had a decent move back down today. So it might be ready to trade tomorrow already. It is still outside the second standard deviation, but not a whole lot. I like this one. At least I like the picture. Let's go take a look at it in the hitting probabilities. A nice mean reversion picture, very nice. Let's run it with the 10,000 paths in the Monte Carlo simulation. Now, interestingly, for all of the strength, it's showing only that we're going to be below the current price, which is 4, 76% of the time. Now, that's not as strong as what we would like, right? But it's showing that half the time we'll get back to the mean, which is minus 2.47 in 32 bars or less, and the mode being only 15. So I guess the thing to do with this one is to keep an eye on it, and if it starts getting back to the mean in a hurry, we're in good shape, and if it doesn't, perhaps we look at putting our money in something else. Not the greatest number here on the 76%, but still, the RW coefficient is great. The track record is great. So we're going to go take a quick look at this one more time over in the detail analysis. It's got just an absolutely perfect picture and an amazing track record. So the RW coefficient is very strong. The correlation is the only thing that's a little light here. So in any case, I like this one, and we are going to make this the recommendation. PTR versus MUR, right? It's got a ratio of 2.4. Let's go take a look at it over in the observe page. It is a short, so for every share of PTR that you sell, you're going to buy 2.4 shares of MUR. Good luck with your trading.